Don't just fly at your local Parker Field. Rule the airspace with one of these sport-scale World War I electrics. These biplanes not only look great, they're made to be flown in smaller areas. And they feature traditional all-wood built-up construction. That cuts final assembly time to just a few hours and ensures you'll have a model that's durable and flies like it should, especially when you equip it with a brushless motor. Choose from two military classics, the American trim Span 13 and the British Sopwith Camel. Both are loaded with scale detail, included painted pilot figures and Vickers machine guns. And with their high level of engineering, you'll enjoy a wide flight envelope that's true to scale. That means everything from stable sport flying to snappy combat maneuvers. If you're looking for models to make you a flying ace at your Parker Field, take a look at the Span 13 and Sopwith Camel, Electrifly's newest additions to their hangar of vintage warbirds.